Hello guys, in this video we are going to test NPN transistor and PNP transistor. So TIP3055 and TIP2955. So after you selecting your multimeter to times 1, analog multimeter blackly is positive floor and redly is negative floor. You have to keep in mind in this procedure. So firstly, you just simply place blackly to the first pin and redly to the second pin you have short, and redly to the third pin you have short. Second pin, third pin, we have both in a short circuit. If you change red to the first pin, red to the second pin, so just one way short, it's only one way. So by right, there must be a base. So black is the first and red is second or third. We have all the short circuit. So the first pin is base. So the first pin is P. P is for positive. So positive, negative, negative. So the first pin is P, second pin is N, the third pin also N. So it's work like this. The first pin is P, the second pin is N, the third pin is N. So how do we count? N, P, N, 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 P, N. So this transistor is NPN transistor. So we already made sure that this transistor is NPN transistor. We are going to use digital multimeter. So if you use digital multimeter, you need to select to the diode mode. After selecting to diode mode, the difference of digital multimeter is redly is positive and blackly is negative. So directly you place red to the P, the first pin, black to the second pin, you have a diode drop voltage. If you place the black, you won't get any reading, but if the red to the red is the base, the first pin is the base, the second pin is, we do know which one is emitter and which one is collector. We just read whether we have diode drop voltage and we take a mark. So base to the first pin, the second pin, base to the second pin, or the third pin, sorry, is 0.531. So the first pin is base, the second pin is collector, the third pin is emitter. So basically the structure of transistor, the emitter pin is mostly always heavily doped. That's why the reading, the voltage is more drop. So if your reading is drop more, that pin is emitter pin. So the first pin is base, second pin is collector, the third pin is emitter. Now we move to PNP transistor. We use analog multimeter, PNP. So we just place the first pin to the red, second pin to black, third is black, so we have all the sharp. So red is negative floor in analog multimeter, black is positive floor. So we get the reading. So there must be PNP transistor, this one. The first pin is negative, the second pin is positive, third pin is positive. So red is the first, which is negative floor. Now we have the reading. So we want to make sure that which pin is emitter and which pin is collector. Take a multimeter, digital multimeter, select to the diode mode, and simply place the first pin to negative leak, black leak. The first pin to second pin, third pin. If you change the leak, you won't get any reading. So base to the first pin, second pin, base to the third pin. We just take a mark, the reading, the diode voltage drop. Base to the first pin, we have diode reading 0.571. Just take a mark. If the reading is more, which means the more reading is emitter pin. Base to the third pin 0.573. So 0.573 is emitter pin. So the first pin is base, second is collector, the third pin is emitter. So this is how to identify base, collector, emitter. And this is in a good condition of transistor. If your transistor is short in both sides, which means your transistor is already out. Thank you for watching.